How to turn off location services on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you need to do is launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application, scroll down and tap on the option of apps. Select on manage apps over here and simply search for TikTok on the search bar. So let's search for TikTok and it might take few seconds for the app to pop up on the screen. So let's wait for a while until it pops up the app. As you do that, you can simply just search for it and tap on the TikTok application. Now scroll down and tap on the option of app permissions. Here you can see there will be different options that you have popped up. So simply tap on the location option and make sure that you tap on the don't allow option. So as you do that, you'll be able to turn off the location services on TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.